Hi there, and welcome to What's Mark Cooking. Today I'm cooking an Irish stew. I had to look up and see what the difference was between a stew and an Irish stew. Irish stew is made with lamb rather than beef. The process can be a bit long, but the process itself can be quite simple. Anyway, let's get the pots and pans out and let's get cooking. For today's recipe, we're going to require about a half kilo of lamb, 1 large carrot, half a kilo of potatoes, a stalk of celery, 2 cloves of garlic, half this brown onion. I'm using some chicken stock, but you can use beef stock as well, some corn flour, Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, and some oregano. The portion of lamb I had was around about a kilo, so I've cut about half of it off, and now I'm going to cut it into small pieces. There you go. Pieces around about that size there. Coat the lamb pieces with some corn flour. Mix it all together, coating all the pieces. And then we can put that to the side for now. Next, get the pot onto the stove, get some heat into it. I'm using some vegetable oil, about 2 tablespoons. Once it heats up a bit, we'll get our meat into it. I think it's time. We're just browning the lamb. Once it's brown, we'll take it out of here. That's nearly brown all over, so I can add the salt and the pepper. Give it a good stir. That looks fine to me now. Time to get the meat out. Next, we cut up our onion. Fairly large pieces, maybe 6, 8. Now 2 cloves of garlic. Now let's back over to the pot. In goes the onion and the garlic. Just as the onion becomes translucent, we add about a tablespoon of corn flour. And stir that around. And then we add 3 cups of the chicken stock. Whilst that's cooking away, we'll go and prepare our vegetables. You can peel the carrot if you like. I prefer not to, it's not really necessary, and I cut the carrot in fairly large pieces. Next, the potato. I'm using baby potatoes, but I'm still going to cut them up into smaller pieces, about that size there. And the last of our vegetables, the celery. This is a rather largish piece. I'm only going to use about that much of it. There's our vegetables ready to go in at the right time. The onions were simmering away, so now it's time to add all the vegetables. At this stage we can add the meat as well. We really require the liquid to be covering all the ingredients. We're a little bit shy there, so I'm going to add some more chicken stock. Looks like I had just enough. I didn't leave. We've got the oregano and the Worcestershire sauce. Just a good sprinkle of oregano and a nice dollop of the Worcestershire sauce. About a tablespoon, I think it was. Cover it up. We're going to let it simmer for about an hour and a half. I think it's time to check the stew. Looks good. The aroma is fantastic. Time to do the taste test. Well, I can tell you, I won't be waiting till St. Paddy's Day to make this again. It's great. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, hit like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Don't forget, hit the bell icon to be reminded of when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.